Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to my channel. So in today's video you will have not just one bloom but you will have two blooms. So I wanted to play a bit more with a black background and the pebeo iridescent blue-green. In the previous video that I had posted, I had used that combination and I really loved how the pebeo turned out on black, so I thought I'd do a few more on that one. Now, because I don't have a black pillow, I'm using a faux background, if you like. And that was an idea from Shelee characters. If you watch her, she's an amazing artist with the course on the bloom technique. So if you would like to learn how this technique, she's offering a course that you can follow. I'll put a link in my description below, if you're interested in that. So to create a faux background, you basically put down your white pillow paint as normal, and then your first color that you put down, you put a lot more of that on the piece and then apply your different colors on top of that as normal. What that means is because you have a lot more of that first layer, when you spin out or stretch it out, that's the predominant color that you're gonna have as a background rather than the white from the pillow. And for me, I like this concept because it means that you don't have to spend an enormous amount of money on buying different colors pillow paint. You can just, any paint background that you fancy, you can easily do that with that faux mixture. The colors that I'm using were listed at the beginning. So here, once you blow it out, you can already start seeing the pebeo color is just gorgeous on here. So now I wasn't sure whether it was the pebeo on its own doing this or it was the deco art rich espresso, but really the combination of these two on black is just gorgeous. So in a second you'll see a little bit more of a close-up of the piece, and as you can see, like the pebeo normally is more of a, you see a lot more of a blue, but on the black you see a lot more of that shimmery green hue on it. So then I decided, well, what would happen if I put a little bit of Amsterdam sky blue on this piece. So then I did exactly that. So I've used the same colors, but I've added Amsterdam sky blue as my last layer. And here you can see that the color overall has a lot more blue on it. In a second you'll see once I spin it out. So you still see that gorgeous pebeo and rich espresso mixture on the black, but you seem to have a lot more definitions around the cell, and especially what they call the peacock cell, where it's a few layers of within a cell, few layers of different colors within a cell. So I really like this piece as well. I'm not really sure which one I prefer, but either way they were both gorgeous, really. I'd love to hear which one you preferred. For me, I really can't choose. I like them both. So leave me comments below, or if you would like to see any other combinations done, I would happily play with those combinations and make a video for you. So stick around and have a look at the close-ups of the two pieces side by side. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Bye.